morning, everybody. Hard to believe this Sunday we are ending June. We head back to work on Monday, and that is going to be July 1st. We are just 8 days away, just over a week from the 4th of July. And when you look at the calendar, we are flying through 2024. 68 days until Labor Day, 88, that's it, until the first day of fall rolls in here. Now, the good news is over the next couple of days, we are expecting our dew points to become a little bit more manageable here, both Thursday and Friday. Much more comfortable air starting to make its way across the tri-state. But today, we got to deal with those showers and thunderstorms. For some of you, it has been raining for a good part of the night. For others, it's remaining just off to your west. But as we go through the day, as a cold front makes its approach closer toward the region, we are expecting widespread showers and thunderstorms of varying intensity. Some of you may see a break mid part of the day before more activity right along that front really starts to bubble up, and you can see there could be some pockets of pretty heavy rainfall, but fairly fast mover. By time we get to the afternoon or the evening hours and the overnight, things starting to quiet down, and most of us can expect lots of sunshine as we head to work on Thursday. Could see a couple of isolated severe thunderstorms today. According to this Storm Prediction Center, the worst of the weather, or the strongest and more widespread of the severe weather, could be well off to our east. Mainly a torrential rain and a gusty wind threat with any storms that do become severe later this afternoon. The good news is, notice all these darker greens here. That's that real soupy air. As that front starts to make its way through the area, it's going to start to suppress some of those dew points farther to the south. May take through a good part of Thursday morning for that to happen, but definitely looks to become much more comfortable for the second half of the week. So right where we should be for this time of the year for our temperatures, into the 80s with thunderstorms around for a good part of the day. Like I said, some of you may see a break. Notice those highs today mostly in the 80s. Lows tonight starting to cool off into the mid 60s. And there's a look at the extended forecast. A less humid day on Thursday and maybe Friday despite the warmer temperatures. A couple of hit or miss showers and storms both Saturday and Sunday, and then below average as we head back to work on Monday for July 1st.